Hey there! In this quick tutorial, we'll learn all about typecasting in Python. Typecasting is the ability to convert the data type of a value to another data type. Let's get started. Here's an example to help you understand typecasting. We have three variables, x, y, and z, and you can tell the data type of a variable by its value. X is an integer, u is a float, and z is a string. Let's begin by converting both y and z to the integer data type via typecasting. To do this, we typecast the value or variable and surround it with a set of parentheses. Then, we precede it with the data type we'd like to convert to. Note that this is not a permanent change. If you need to make this a permanent change to y, you'd have to reassign it. Now u is a whole integer and we can use it for whatever we need. Let's convert x, e, and z to floating point numbers. We can do this by using the float function. Finally, let's convert these values to strings. We can use the str function to do this. You might be wondering why we need to convert integers and floats to strings. Well, sometimes we need to display a string along with an integer or float. We can't do this directly, so we need to convert the integer or float to a string first. And that's it. You now know the basics of typecasting in Python.